Hello everybody and welcome back again. We're going to do our next puzzle. Again, we're in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. If you want to follow along with me, you can just search for that on Amazon, or there is a link in the description below. I do get a small commission from any purchases that you might make of this book through those patterns. Alright, so today we're working on puzzle number 17. Let's start with this square here. We've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing a 4 and a 9. There's a 9 here. So this is our 4, and this is our 9. For this column, we're missing a 1 and a 7. There's a 1 here. So this is our 7, this is our 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 9. There's a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7, and again because of this 4, this is our 9. That makes this our 4. So in this square now, we're only missing a 2. Up here, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3 and a 6, and we're not getting any help on those, so that could be a 3 or a 6, and that could be a 3 or a 6. Let's look at this row. We're missing a 1, a 6, and an 8. We've got a 6 here, so this could be a 1 or an 8. We've got a 1 here, so this could be a 6 or an 8. And we've got a 6 here, so this would be a 1 or an 8. And so that means this is the only place our 6 can be. And so then for this square, we're again missing a 1 and an 8. For this square, we're missing a 1, a 4, and an 8. So there's a 4 up there. So this is 1 or 8. And so since the 4 can't be in either of those, it must be here. If we look at this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 6. There's a 6 here, so this is our 5, this is our 6. For this box, we're missing a 2 and a 5. There's a 2 here, so this is our 5, this is our 2. And let's see, let's do this column. We're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 there, so this is our 1, and this is our 4. So for this box now, we are missing a 2 and a 3. We've got a 3 there, so this is our 2, this is our 3. And this row now, we're missing a 7. So if we look at this box now, we're missing a 2, a 5, and a 9. We've got a 9 and a 5 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 9 here, so that's our 5. And this is our 9. If we do this row here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 and a 7 there, so this is our 6. We've got a 7 here, so that's our 5, and that's our 7. And then this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 there. So this is a 3 or an 8, and we've got a 3 and a 6 there, so this has to be our 8, this is our 3, this is our 6, our 3 is there. Finish out this box, we're missing a 1 and a 4, we've got a 1 here, so this is our 4, this is our 1. And yet again, when we get these lined up like this, it doesn't matter how you fill it out. If we put the 1 there, that makes this an 8, this an 8, and there's our last 1. Alright, so that was puzzle number 17. That one was pretty quick, huh? So, thank you again for joining me today, and we will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle.